Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today I will share some powerful Zibu symbols which can be used for our health, and these symbols have lot of power and healing energy which will help us to heal from any physical and mental problem. So the first symbol is acceptance of optimum health. This symbol helps in full recovery and to thrive beautifully. You can use this symbol when you are undergoing any treatment. Next symbol is healing symbol. This symbol helps you to heal from any physical and mental problem. Next symbol is healing embrace. This symbol helps to survive any health issues, and this symbol has immense healing power. Next symbol is release. This symbol will help you to release any fear and doubt if you have regarding any treatment that you are going through. Okay. Next is choose life. This symbol can be used during any kind of stress, anxiety. It will help you to choose and embrace life. Next symbol is reconnection. This symbol will help you during your time of depression, or if anyone else is going through depression, then this symbol will help that person to reconnect again with life and reconnect again with everyone. Okay. Next symbol is of patience. This symbol is important not only for someone who is unwell, but also for the person's family, because sometimes some kind of health issues takes time to recover. So at that time this symbol is very important. Next symbol is soul integration. This symbol will help you to come out of depression, anxiety, stress. It will help you to get back on track and live authentically. Next symbol is vitality. This symbol has an angelic connection with the soul, and this symbol can be drawn in your kitchen so that the meal that you eat is blessed. Next symbol is self-care. This symbol is again important for ourselves to be healthy so that we can be on track and we can eat healthy, get fresh hair, exercise regularly, and get plenty of rest for ourselves. Next symbol is of unity. Now, when a member in a family is unwell due to any reason, so what happens? This symbol will help everyone to be united, and this symbol will help the unwell patient to get support from his family. Okay. As we are going through this pandemic situation, this symbol is very important to be united during this difficult condition. Next symbol is for inner peace. When you are unwell or depressed or stressed, this symbol will help you to find that peace and help you to slow down and quiet your mind and relax. Okay. Next is happiness symbol. This symbol helps you to set an intention for a positive outlook and enjoy every moment of your life every day. Okay. Next is unconditional love. This symbol is important for our own self, because a healthy body needs a healthy heart. So your heart needs to be filled with unconditional love for ourselves too. Next is unlimited abundance. This symbol helps us to have an unlimited abundance of good health. And the last symbol is blessing symbol. This symbol blesses you with a healthy, happy and prosperous life. Okay. So how will you use this symbol? You can draw this symbol on a paper and stick it on your wall. You can keep this paper under your pillow or under the pillow of the person who is unwell. You can draw this symbol on the medicine You can draw the symbol on water, on food. Okay, for food you can just with your finger draw the symbol in the air and give to the patient who are unwell. You can daily draw the symbol on the food that you eat regularly. Okay, you can draw the symbol on the person's photograph at the back of it. Any person who is unwell, at the back of that person's photograph, draw this symbol and keep. Okay, you can also watch my video on how to use Zebu symbols. I'll put that at the end of this video. And if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.